Skitties, what? What up, world? Welcome back to another episode, of Skitties World. Brad and I, Brad's in the whip. Little loud, we got the windows down. It is nice, sunny outside, 79 degrees, and it is only almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow. Headed all the way to Highline Auto in Arizona. I'm excited for this one. I've heard a lot of great things about this event. We'll skip all the chit chat and head straight there. We'll see you guys in a bit. Let's get it. Whoa, this is out of control. Exactly what I expected. This thing is freaking crazy so far. Honestly, it's like pre-Monterey. That's what it reminds me of. Look at this. Oh my God. Wild. This is nuts. Man, you need to come to Monterey, dude. This is like Monterey, like I would say 25% of Monterey, but it's like this when you go to every single event. It's crazy. This is sick, dude. What do you think? Did you even know this existed?
No, I didn't even know it was
It's like a secret little hidden car club, man. Exactly. This is why I like the culture, dude. It's so dope. You go to a different state, different place, never know what's popping, and this is like more than what I expected. This is nuts. It is packed. This is dope, huh? This is sick, man. Let's hand out some free merch to a few folks here. If you had a big bag full, but I have to get one person on this vlog. If you guys follow me on Instagram, even on my vlogs, on my comments, always someone in the comments tell me to get an NSX. For the past like 2 or 3 months, just can you get an NSX? You gotta drive an NSX. Randomly, they did not know I was coming down here to Arizona. And this is the man right here. I can't even talk crap because he's big. He's way taller than I am.
Yo, what up?
And he could be my bodyguard. What's your name?
Travis.
Travis, man. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey, always in the comments tell me to get an NSX.
They slept
I appreciate
on.
it, though. They are slept on. I'm not gonna lie.
on.
You don't see them anywhere.
Right.
Anywhere. I think I've only seen one out of all these supercars right there on the end. And they're sick. Twin turbo, a tune, downpipes. A buddy of mine, Brian, Black Press, he had one, a maroon one, and it sounded crazy. Yes, I love it. It's just
one tune one, and I'm like, oh.
Oh yeah. They're nuts. They're nuts. The only thing for me is it's like the inside of it.
Yeah.
I'm all about the inside of the car. You're in it most of the time, right? It's just not exciting.
It's still a Honda.
Exactly.
Like,
it's not exciting. And then too, like when you go to like some exotic car events, they don't get respect. They should get respect, or they don't. It's not like exotic enough, right? Only thing for me though. But for a second car,
nope.
That's the one right there. So when I get the Huracan, that could be a second car I could get later down the road. Is the NSX? They are slept on.
They look good. Yeah. Like, fire.
Yeah. In a couple more years, I think they'll be more appreciated and then more rare. So that could be something I could get. Well, nice meeting you, man.
Nice
It was so
too,
funny,
bro.
man.
I had no idea you was gonna be
so
here,
funny. I appreciate you commenting though, for real. You're always in tune. You always comment.
Oh yeah.
And you're always
like
live, man.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man. Like the support is real.
I love the channel. I love everything. You know,
Thanks,
I found
man.
you through DDE, of course, but
thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yo, he dope. He funny as hell too. Like I'm cracking up.
Man, you should see half the crap I don't put on the videos. Man, look at your boy Skinny brought a crowd.
I know.
Wow, coming up over here, man. Let's go. This is sick, dude. Look at this. Like, man, I wish we had like South Coast OC. You've been there with me before. Like, it's crazy, it's fun, but like to set up down. What area? What's this considered down here?
High Street, North Scottsdale.
North Scottsdale. So it's kind of like us going towards like Beverly Hills, maybe. Something like that. So imagine being on Beverly Hills once a month, first Saturday of the month, and we park on the streets like Beverly Hills and block areas on like that'd be crazy. That's pretty much what we're doing down here in Scottsdale. This is sick, man. Like first gen R8s. Oh, take my heart. V8 R8, man. That's what I started out with. Remember that? Remember my black one? Same spec, dude. Like blacked out. V8, so I didn't have the big side blades in it. Oh, except he's gated. You can't really see it because he's got tinted windows. They're gated though. But this is my first. Where it all started, man. Woo. V8 R8, man. I don't miss it though, I'm not gonna lie. I like dual clutch, I love it. Oh, here we go, Brad. We're starting your morning off healthy. That little protein, man. Dude, they got everything in Arizona. Look at this. Thank you. Guys, this is the first S in Arizona. See, bro, we're breaking ground over here.
I know.
Gorgeous. Upgrades are awesome. So you said new rear end, right? New rear end. Wider, you can definitely see right here. A lot wider. Oh my gosh.
S.
Oh yeah, well, make it official, make it official. We're not joking. We're not playing over here. This thing's amazing, guys. Upgrades to the hood. You see the new louvers here. New front grille is amazing. This thing is amazing. Congratulations.
Thank
I love
you.
it. All the way from Newport Beach.
Yes.
Lamborghini. We still keep it somewhat down in California, man. Come on, Brad. Trading everything, get one.
I got a family to feed.
Get the matching glasses. Get the matching glasses. Let's go. Okay, we're on the topic. NSX. This thing. Man, I'm telling you, they are sweet and so slept on. That's my only thing, is just the interior. Maybe it's just me. It could just be me.
I like this one. I like my cars. I do.
Man, now, gosh, see, now I was sold on my choice, but down pipes on there. Look at that. I bet this thing sounds nuts. And this one's a Type S on top of that. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, yeah, I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on a cruise. Yeah, yeah, you feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see him trying to do what I do. Yeah, yeah, even Mick Jagger couldn't move like a moon. Yeah, yeah, you think you're Howard, look, I'm up on the moon. Yeah, got fresh to death and it came out of the tomb. That's cause I got a different type of gratitude.
Look at this car, Honda Beat, a 93. I'm not gonna act like I know what I'm talking about. Never seen one of these in person before, but it's a 93, 64 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 13 seconds. Brad, can you do me the honor stand next to it and show everybody how small this car is? This car.
Pretty sure I couldn't fit.
Below your waist.
12-inch wheels.
It's got 12. Nah, man, those are 10s. Those are 10s. But we keep them clean, though. We keep them clean. Look at it. No NSX. Oh my gosh. Here we go. The JDM King right here. Everyone's favorite. King, queen, however you want to put it, but everyone's favorite right here. Let's go. They have everything here. They have your classic cars you guys see here. First, we were like where the supercars are. We haven't even gone down the other side yet. We're still on like the left side. I mean, I heard that down there's a lot more exotics. It's pretty sick, man. You got everything down here. Arizona is definitely showing out right now. So that's this guy right here. So he has 3 4GTs. Street legal, said race,
Right.
non-road legal.
Right.
Wow. 3 4GTs all in yellow. Come on, Brad, 1 million, let's go.
YOLO.
YOLO.
If you vibe, gon' hit ya. People who ride with ya, get it live. Who can paint that picture? Ain't no way we losing inches. Climb them fences, get bruised up, got stitches. Bring them back to they senses.
And another one. It's 2 NSXs so far. Might be honest, something, Brad. I don't know, man. It's like the most I've seen. Like Arizona's got 2. I've never seen people drive these around. So this is 2 in a matter of like not even a block radius. So we'll see if we see another one here. But I feel like it's haunting me now. What's up, man? What's up, dude?
What up, bro?
You guys are lit out here, man.
Yes, sir.
Arizona's lit, not just the heat. But it's lit out here. Yeah, all the way from Cali, man. Can you visit this guy?
Car looks great. I looked over there, man.
Thank you. Let me ask you why you're here. I'm thinking Huracan for
Okay.
the car.
Okay.
But the NSX.
Huracan, bro.
Huracan. See, man, see? I've told you.
It is really cool,
There's
but
a
the
but.
Huracan,
But there's a but.
Acura-
What's the but?
Acura. It's so expensive for what it is, in my opinion. But
I like that opinion. That's a good opinion right there. Not exotic enough, right? No. See?
that's just
I mean, yeah. There you go.
You gotta give
Okay,
people
you
what
say
they
you're
want.
out. Dang. All right, you guys heard it. I guess the NSX it ain't gonna be it. Steals everyone's heart every time. The Bull steals everyone's heart.
That's a normal.
Brad's like, Scotty race car. Wow. My buddy back home, Brad, has one of those. It's not original, he built it. It's like a kit car. Cost him like $500 and some $1,000 to mock the real Bugatti race car. The real Bugatti race car is worth like $3 or $4 million. All right, guys, look at this car. Nintendo old school game, Outrun Dreamy. Let's go. Childhood dreams.
That's
right
right,
there.
man.
See, this is why we love this because of this. Dude, so reminds me of the freaking old school video game. You know it's not the exact one from the video game. Brings back so many childhood memories.
Hey, man.
Dude, we used to play that game all the time.
Get that roll of quarters going
Right?
there. Gone for hours.
Dude, that's freaking sick, man. I love that. I'm telling you guys, for a lot of us, that's how it starts, man. It's either like something sparks your interest in supercars or cars in general. Like Nintendo games when we were a kid, sparks your interest and like what could be, who knows what the future could be, right, for you. What pushes you and motivates you to work hard and grind it out to kind of get what you want. And like something as simple as Nintendo, like puts that little spark in your head, man. Next thing you know, you're chasing your dreams of doing supercar content and trying to get that bull. As for me, trying to get that Lamborghini, right? Little mercy reel out, never hurt nobody, right? Look at the Urus. Wide body. 1016. Is that a 1016 wide body kit? Yeah, my boy Peter. 1016 wide body kit out here in Arizona. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. The rollout. It's getting heavy, and then here we go. All this talk about an NSX. It's gonna kind of end up here with me. What's up, guys? How are you, brother? Good. Good seeing you, man. So sick. And the rollout continues. Little Gallardo action. Oh yeah. Arizona, man. You guys got some secret gym spots over here. This is crazy. All right, Brad, we're gonna upgrade you to some New Balances, man. You gotta throw the Vans and the Jordans away. And we're gonna get you a little Corvette. Honestly though, I know we were talking off camera, like, I really could see you driving this car.
For sure.
Legit. One of the kids out the house, you're close, get one of them at the house at least. You need to get you one.
So I got like a decade.
I got like a decade. There goes our Ferrari we were looking at earlier. Yeah. So dope. It looks dope. It's brought back those memories, man. It really
Right.
Look, you got back to back, just murdered out. You got a Ferrari and Porsche, like absolutely bank robber status. This is a car you probably want to rob if it has some cash in it. Look how big this freaking truck is. Like, I have a wide angle lens. This thing is barely fits in the screen. Look it. Brad, you look like an ant. An ant next to this thing. Oh my gosh. This has to be the world's biggest truck. Definitely an Army utility vehicle. Let's go. Dude, that's so dope. That is so sick.
I couldn't even get in it.
Can you imagine the gas on this thing?
Better run when you hear that. Run when you hear that. I said it. Better run. I said it. Run when you hear that. Run when you hear that.
They warn us of police activity. No ticket for your boy. I still got PTSD from that ticket. Ain't happening. Part 7, yep. Gotta turn that air off. It is hot. All right. Oh man, what an event. 90 something degrees. Is that where we're going? Holy crapola. Came for a little breakfast. Luckily the wife already got a table because the line here is just like, must be some pretty good food. Man, I get to walk in and just get some food, man. That's what I'm talking about. What's up? What's up? Food is here. This is great service right here.
Approaching on my day date here.
Date. We were hungry, we were in the area, so why not join in?
I didn't plan on coming here because I'm in my pajama shirt.
It's okay, it's in sync though.
We were going on a coffee run and ended up here 30 minutes away from their house.
All right, we're gonna chow this down real quick, and then we'll get back to the vlog in a second. So, oh man, that was amazing. Man, it was nice to just come in and sit down and eat. You know what I'm saying?
That's different from what you do any other day of the week. Out to Arizona. Woo! Thinking about it, it would be a big change and a big shift, but so far, man, the car culture out here is pretty dope. It's just so nice out here. Clean, not one piece of trash at all. I don't know. All right, here we go. You ready, dude? You ready? Mm-hmm. Bye. I'm sad. You sad, Jen?
No.
You're not sad? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, this is the part of the trip I don't like. Not even the drive. Drive's okay. I hate saying goodbye. I'm one of those that does not like to say goodbye. I'm not good at it, but it's been fun, man. So 5-hour and 18-minute drive back home. Let's get on the road. Little farewell takeoff, buddy. Home.
Home.
Woo! Oh yeah. We are here, baby. Where is that? PFS, aka Protective Film Solutions, baby. We got some things to fix on the RA. A couple things to fix. All right, you guys. Now, what have I broken? Not like broken, but I kind of messed up a few things. Now, you guys know I've had this wrap. It's been almost a year, and I plan on actually keeping it longer because once again, not sure if I'm selling the car, keeping the car, but I want to revamp it and do a couple things. But first off, obviously a lot of rocks and stuff and debris on the road, right? So the front, oh my goodness, I did a doozy on that right there. So we got to get that fixed. It's one thing. Second thing is, I know there's a lot of comments. Yes, I know. Damon pointed out a long time ago, you son of a, that my emblems on here were just a little bit, tad bit crooked, but also I'm gonna change this up a little bit just to give a little refresh, revamp, a little pop. Anything else that we kind of randomly need to fix because this wrap has been through, it's been through the mud, man. I drive all the time. I got a lot of miles in the car. I'm putting miles on it every single week. This car takes a beating, but a good beating. Not in an abusive way, but in a good way. That makes sense? I don't know if it did, but it made sense to me. Let's go. Oh, and head inside here. Oh, you're at the front now.
I'm at the front. Things changed.
I know, things do change. You got a mustache. You got some hair going under here, man.
I've been on this house for 2 years.
At the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor. Hey, on the road, here we go. Yeah, we winning by a landslide.
Can I go in your car?
Oh man, that car is staying here till Friday. I gotta fix some things. How cool were those cars in the back? Were they cool?
Yeah.
Were they cool?
I like the Bugatti. I want to drive the
There's
Bugatti.
Bugatti, yeah. There's two cars I showed that they love that I can't show you guys. Unfortunately, some top secret projects. There is a Bugatti back there. That is, woo, the Chiron. It is. It's one of those ones. And then there was actually a race car back there that they're working on. So I'm sure on their vlog in a few weeks, they'll reveal it on PFS's vlog. So subscribe to their channel as well. You can get all the updates on those two cars. When you see them, you're gonna know what I'm talking about because they're lit. So we will be back. We'll be back Friday to pick up the R8. I gotta hop in the spaceship, get some food, because I'm starting to get a little cranky pants in there. Appreciate you guys watching this vlog. Arizona was off the chain. I hope you guys loved it. I'm gonna head back, especially go to Highline Auto. I met a lot of great people down there, a lot of great connects, and man, the invites are flowing in. So Arizona trip will be coming back soon. Say bye, everybody.
Bye. Bye.
Oh man. Oh my God. Gotta be kidding me. Well, you guys, not the way I wanted to end my video. As you guys saw, I was dropping my car off at PFS. Actually, before I get there, happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Today is actually Father's Day. So all you real dads out there, happy Father's Day. Hope you enjoyed your day. You got to relax, kick back, and enjoy time with your family and with your kids. Back to the task at hand. So you guys saw I dropped my car off at PFS to fix those couple things on the car. As they were unwrapping the car, unfortunately, a lot of paint came with the front bumper. Insert picture. Apparently that front bumper must have been repainted before my time, before I had the car and owned it. For some reason, that front bumper was repainted. There is no accidents on the car. Could have been, rock damage. Obviously, if the car wasn't PPF'd, rock chips do hit the front. So selling it and getting rid of it, probably want to repaint it, freshen up, make it look good, right? But due to the lack of like a great job being done or repainted to the front, someone didn't do a great job of redoing it. So obviously, when you peel off the wrap, yes, some paint is gonna come with it. And just to clarify, it had nothing to do with the PFS, has nothing to do with them, their product, how they wrap the car. Man, that sucks. So that damage is gonna cost, yes, it's gonna cost some money. So a bumper, sanded down, repainted, has to settle, has to sit, and rewrap it. I was supposed to pick up the car Friday. The guys called me on Thursday and let me know, hey, this is what's going on. Hopefully by Tuesday, I can pick the car up. Thank you to Protective Film Solutions for sorting that out for me, man, because your boy was stressed out. When I saw the pictures, woo, because I got the picture before I got the explanation, and my heart just dropped. It's like, oh my God, what happened? Not the way I wanted to happen, not the way I wanted to kind of end this trip to Arizona. Ooh, it's gonna cost a pretty penny. A couple G's at least, gonna cop at least a couple G's. But with that being said, we have one small but dope surprise being added in the R8, which you guys will see in the next video. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And this is Skinny's World, baby. Let's get it. Skinny's World!